I think it's going to
So here we were at Ngala Game Lodge and at the wild dog den site that they had on the property at the time.
You see they're eating.
The adults had just returned from a hunt and were regurgitating some food for the puppies.
That's how they feed the pups. They go off hunting, kill something, eat the whole thing up, and they come back, call the pups one by one, and just regurgitate some of the food that they have.
And nothing like playtime after a good breakfast. So after playtime was a bit of rest time, just taking it easy. But didn't take too long and the puppies were up and about again. And not too long after that, they were begging for more food.
Look at this one. You that's a big chunk.
Chunk of what?
Chunk of something.
This one down here.
Generally, when they give birth, it's between 7 and 10 puppies after about 70 days of gestation. I think the record, if I remember, was 21 pups in one birth.
Was he teasing? He's got nothing left.
And these puppies will grow up in the pack and remain with the pack for the rest of their lives, generally speaking. Occasionally there are splits, but generally they stay within the pack and help each other hunt and raise new puppies. It's a very social system.